go ahead and try something a little bit more advanced to your 3D block letters. You should already have a 3D letter. Now you can add a cast shadow, cut it out really cool, and make it look like it's popping or hovering off of the paper. Here we go. So here I already outlined it in marker, and now behind and overlapping with the 3D letter and slightly down and to the left, I am drawing another same size block letter right on top using pencil. Next thing you're going to do is erase all the marks that are inside the actual 3D letter. So only a little bit is actually peeking out, and it looks like a shadow, almost like it's hovering above the paper. Now I'm going to take a ruler. I'm going to actually try to make this look like it's popping out even more. I'm going to take a ruler and through the top of the letter, just letting a little bit peek above that horizontal line, and I'm going to draw another vertical line on the right side of the letter. And now I'm going to take a scissor and cut this out, and you'll see I'm cutting along the vertical, across the top, and then almost like around the entire letter. And then I cut the excess, and it looks like the letter is actually popping off the paper. Now I'm going to color my letter. I'm using acrylic paint here, red, blue, and white. And I'm just mixing using a brush and eventually a palette knife to stir things around. You can also use markers or colored pencils, or even if you don't have any of those things, just regular pencil shading or a pen, and you can use some hatching and cross hatching to make each area look different. So on the face, I'm using the lightest color. On the left side, I'm using something a little more saturated. And then on the other sides that are sort of where we're looking up and to the underside of the letter, I'm using a red violet. And then on the actual cast shadow, I'm going to use the darkest color. So the front is really light. The sides that show the depth are a little bit darker, and each face is a different shade. And then the actual shadow can be really, really deep and saturated. Good luck, guys. Remember, practice makes better. So keep trying. Even if it doesn't work out great, you should still Edmodo it to me or email it to me. And don't forget to wash your hands.